Namaste bachon. So, still this we have seen in Balram Katha, Sita got abducted by Ravana. And where is Sita now? She is in Ashok Vatika. Where is Ashok Vatika? It is in Lanka. Now, Ram or Lakshman are going to search Sita. That is what we are going to see in Sita Ki Khoj. What is the next topic? The next topic is Sita Ki Khoj. Okay. Sita Ki Khoj means Sita's search. They are going to search Sita. माया जाल से सोने का हिरन बने मारीच को मारने के बाद राम संदेह से भरे कुटिया की ओर भागे चले जा रहे थे कि कहीं लक्ष्मण सीता को कुटिया में अकेला छोड़कर ना आ जाए. After killing Marich, who had become a golden deer from the illusion, Ram was running towards the hut with full of doubts that Lakshman should not leave Sita alone in the hut. उन्हें पगड़ी से लक्ष्मण आते देखे वे लक्ष्मण से गुस्सा थे. So he saw that Lakshman is coming from the pagadi. By seeing Lakshman, he got angry. वे लक्ष्मण से गुस्सा थे. He was angry with Lakshmana. He said that clearly he should not leave Sita alone in the kutiya. But he came because Sita was forcing him to go. लक्ष्मण ने उन्हें कहा कि मुझे पता था कि आप सकुशल होंगे, परंतु देवी सीता के कटु वचन और उलाहना सुनकर मुझे कुटिया छोड़कर आना पड़ा. So he is explaining what happened there. Lakshman told him that I knew that you would be safe, but after hearing the bitter words from Sita, okay, I had to leave the hut. So I heard all these things from Sita, then only I leave the hut. राम को लक्ष्मण का उनकी आज्ञा का उल्लंघन करना उचित नहीं लगा, but Ram did not accept it. Ram did not find it is appropriate for Lakshmana to disobey his order. Whatever happens, he should not disobey his order. That is what Rama thinks. दोनों जल्दी कुटिया की ओर चल पड़े. So both of them quickly started towards the hut. जब कुटिया दिखाई पड़ने लगी तो राम ने सीता को पुकारा कि वह कहाँ है. So when the hut was visible, when they can see the hut in that distance, Rama called out Sita. So he wants to know where is Sita. आवाज नहीं आई. So there was no sound from Sita. राम ने सीता को हर संभव स्थान पर ढूंढा और पूछताछ की. So he was searched in all the places where Sita can be. Every possible place he searched and interrogated. पूछताछ की. लक्ष्मण राम के निकट गए और बोले कि आप आदर्श पुरुष हैं, आपको धैर्य रखना चाहिए. तब राम शांत हुए. So he was tensed that he couldn't find Sita. So that time Lakshman went near Rama and he said that you are an ideal man. You must be patient. Then Ram calmed down. Then only Ram calmed down. He realized himself and he became calm. इसी बीच हिरणों का झुंड राम लक्ष्मण के निकट आ गया. राम ने हिरणों से सीता के बारे में पूछा. हिरणों ने सिर उठाकर आसमान की ओर देखा और दक्षिण की ओर भाग गए. राम ने इस संकेत मान सीता की खोज में दक्षिण की ओर बढ़े. So meanwhile, इसी बीच हिरणों की झुंड राम लक्ष्मण के निकट आ गया. Meanwhile, a herd of deer came near Ram and Lakshmana. राम ने हिरणों से सीता के बारे में पूछा. Ram asked the deers about the Sita. Okay. So हिरणों ने सिर उठाकर आसमान की ओर देखा. Why they saw the sky? Because Ravana took her and flew away, right? So हिरणों ने सिर उठाकर आसमान की ओर देखा और दक्षिण की ओर भाग गए. The deer raised their heads and looked at the sky and fled towards south. Ran towards south. राम ने इसे संकेत मान सीता की खोज में दक्षिण की ओर बढ़े. So Rama took this as a sign. Okay, they cannot talk, right? So they are giving some sign. and proceeded towards the south in search of Sita. दक्षिण दिशा में आगे बढ़ने पर उन्हें गिद्धराज जटायु घायल हालत में मिले और अपनी अंतिम सांसें ले रहे थे. Do you remember गिद्धराज जटायु? The vulture Jatayu? He got hurt by Ravana. Ravana cut his wing. Do you remember? Yes. दक्षिण दिशा में आगे बढ़ने पर. So proceeding in the south direction, he found vulture Jatayu. Vulture Jatayu in an injured condition and he was breathing his last. उन्होंने राम को बताया कि रावण सीता को उठाकर दक्षिण पश्चिम दिशा की ओर ले गया है. Now he is saying, Jatayu, he told Rama that Ravana picked up Sita and took her towards southwest direction. Okay. उन्होंने संघर्ष करके उसे रोकना चाहा परंतु रोक ना सके. And also he said that he tried to stop it by fighting but could not stop. इतना कहकर जटायु ने अपने प्राण त्याग दिया. So saying this, Jatayu gave up his life. राम जटायु का अंतिम संस्कार कर आगे बढ़े तब उन्हें कबंध राक्षस मिला. So when Ram proceeded to perform the last rituals of Jatayu, he found the demon Kabandh. Okay, one more demon we are seeing. His name is Kabandh. उसके द्वारा आक्रमण करने पर राम लक्ष्मण ने तलवार का वार करके उसके हाथ काट दिए. उसके द्वारा is here it is mentioning कबंध. कबंध से द्वारा, कबंध के द्वारा आक्रमण करने पर राम लक्ष्मण ने तलवार का वार करके कबंध का हाथ काट दिया. When attacked by him, Rama and Lakshmana cut off his hands with a sword. तब उसने राम लक्ष्मण के बारे में जानकर अपनी इच्छा प्रकट की कि राम उसका अंतिम संस्कार करें. Then, knowing about Ram Lakshman, he expressed his desire that Ram should perform his last rituals. कबंध ने उन्हें बताया कि ऋष्यमुख पर्वत पर वानर राज सुग्रीव रहता है. And also he is giving information about Sugriv, Vanar Raj, Monkey King. Okay. Kabandh told him that Monkey King Sugriva lives on the Rishyamukh mountain, Rishyamukh Parvat. In the mountain's name is Rishyamukh. There, the Monkey King Sugriva lives there. You can contact him. Okay, like this he is giving information. Kabandh is giving information to Ram and Lakshman. वहां निर्वासित जीवन व्यतीत कर रहा है. वह वहां निर्वासित जीवन व्यतीत कर रहा है. Who was? Sugriv was living in exile there. Exile means who thrown out from the country. उसने ये भी बताया कि सुग्रीव के पास वानरों की सेना है. And also he said that he has a army of monkey. Okay, he has an army of monkeys. वे अवश्य सीता को खोज निकालेंगे. He will definitely find Sita. उसने उन्हें वहां जाने से पहले मतंग ऋषि के आश्रम में रहने वाली सबरी से मिलने के लिए भी कहा. Also, he told them to meet Sabari, who lived in the ashram of Rishi Matang. Okay, Matang Maharishi. Sabari is living in his ashram. So, before going to meet Sugriva, you just go to Matang Maharishi's ashram and meet Sabari and then go. He is saying this. उसने प्राण त्याग दिया और राम ने वचन अनुसार उसका अंतिम संस्कार खुद किया. So after giving all these informations, he gave up his life and Ram himself performed his last rituals according to the word which he gave for him. Okay. वहां से वे दोनों शबरी से जाकर मिले. From there they both went and met शबरी. शबरी ने भी उन्हें सुग्रीव की सहायता से सीता की खोज करने के लिए कहा. शबरी also told them that to search Sita with the help of Sugriva. सबरी से मिलकर वे ऋष्यमुख पर्वत की ओर चल पड़े. So after meeting Shabri, he started towards Rishyamukh mountain. That's it. Still the chapter is getting over. In this chapter, there are some difficult words. I will tell you the meanings for that words. Ashanka. Ashanka is dhar, fear. Katu, kadwe, katuvachan, kaduve, bitter words. Kataksh, tana marna, that is taunting, okay, scolding. Asahaniya, sahan na karne yogya. Intolerable, unbearable, okay. Vikshit, pagal, crazy. Avrodh, badhaएं, obstacles. Badhaएं means obstacles. Parihas, हंसी मजाक, that is jokes. प्रयोजन, उद्देश्य, purpose. निर्वासित, स्वदेश से निकाला गया, that is expelled from the country, home country. जर्जर, टूटा फूटा, shabby. काया, शरीर, body. तृप्त, संतुष्ट होना, to be satisfied. So that's it, children. So we have completed Sita Ki Khoj. Read the textbook, Bal Ram Katha textbook completely. Okay, this chapter, take this chapter and read it. You will be getting know more than this. Okay, धन्यवाद बच्चों.